In an earlier video, we saw how you can send a text message to an individual member of your scouting unit by selecting them from the directory and tapping the text message icon next to their cell phone number. Now we're going to show you how to send a message to a group of scouts and adults. Since most messages are going to be about a particular scouting event, we'll begin by selecting the calendar from the home page. We'll then select an event from the calendar. Notice the Send Message button at the top of this page. This will appear on any event for which people have signed up, provided you are authorized for this function and currently have an internet connection. This button takes you to a page where you can enter a brief text message. This message can be up to 140 characters long and cannot contain any emojis or images. Once you've entered your message, you can select a group to send it to. Most of these groups are based on the event you selected. The first option will send it to everyone who has signed up for the event, plus their parents. Other options let you select just the parents, just the participants, or just the adult participants. The last two options are not based on the event you selected. The first lets you send the message to everyone in a selected dynamic subgroup. See how you can scroll through the list of subgroups to find the one you want. The selected subgroup will turn green. The final option lets you select all active members of your scouting unit. Press the Send button to add this message to our message queue. A few seconds later, you will see a list of the people to whom this message was sent. Next to each name, you'll see one or more icons indicating whether it was sent via email, text, or both. There may be a second list that shows the recipients to whom this message has not been sent. This may be because the server is still processing this queue. Tap the Refresh Recipient Status button to update this list. The system may not be able to send the message to some names, perhaps because they don't have an email address or SMS address, or because their addresses are blocked. At least you'll know who these people are so you can find another way to contact them. By default, the message is sent to email addresses and SMS text message addresses. If you want to change this, tap the cog icon in the upper right corner of the page to get to the Message Settings page. Select the option you'd like, then tap the blue arrow in the upper left corner to return to the message page. Tap the blue arrow again to exit this message. From here, you can send another message or return to the home page by tapping the TroopWebHost logo.